Another feature of it is reliable. That just means you can count on it in that there are no exceptions, no outliers. Again, if you apply it to what it's meant to be applied, which is symptoms that are the result of trauma, it works. So, what that looks like in practice is that if you find a symptom and if you find a traumatic memory or emotion behind that symptom, you will be able to collapse it with the protocols that you're learning. And you will be able to collapse it all together until the SUD, the subjective unit of distress, is a zero. The reason why I'm mentioning this is because oftentimes people who have tried other things, they will say, I worked with a practitioner of this and that modality. And when you ask them, okay, did you work on this memory? They will say something along the lines of either it did nothing, or well, it's less intense, but it's kind of still there. So when we say it's reliable, it means when you work on a memory and you follow the protocols and you follow the steps, you will clear it completely, not halfway, not partially. It'll be gone. And that leads me to this idea that oftentimes in self-help and coaching, they say healing happens in layers. And while that might be true in terms of, yes, there are different kinds of challenges that clients have. People shouldn't be bringing the same kind of problem to the session over and over again if you did things right. So reliable, it means you cleared it, it's gone. And if there are other things to clear, fine, but you're moving forward either way. Now, for our newer students, just so you know, module 1 to 5 will teach you everything you need to know to bring a memory from maximum intensity all the way down to zero. Sometimes you might need more than one protocol to do that. And sometimes, one will be enough, but you will know what to do when there's a traumatic memory that you have identified. In fact, I should have this on the next slide. It's just a simple, if A, then B, if C, then D. There's not an infinite number of possibilities. You don't have to be all tense thinking, how do I do this? You will learn how to recognize when the memory has been cleared. You will learn how to recognize when there's still a little bit of work needed to do and what that means in particular.